this video, I will show you the level of fine-grained data protection Teamcenter DRM offers to enterprises, enabling seamless and secure collaboration. In this demo, we will be using a user named Jimmy Carter, who has full access to assemblies and parts classified as secret, but no access to top-secret parts. In the first part, Jimmy Carter will view a confidential assembly, make edits, and check in the assembly. In the second section, a part in the assembly is reclassified as top secret, causing Jimmy to lose access to the file. This function is incredibly helpful in supplier collaboration, where supplier A should only see his or her part and how it fits into the assembly, while hiding parts entitled to only supplier B. Similarly, supplier B will only be entitled to see his or her parts and how these fit into the assembly, all while supplier A's parts are not visible to them. We will start by opening up the assembly. Let's check the file info. You will see that this file is classified as secret, allowing Jimmy full permissions. You will notice Jimmy also has permissions to the part Lianhe, which is a chain guard. This is currently classified as secret. However, later, we will duplicate the assembly and change the classification of Lianhe to top secret, where you will see Jimmy will no longer have access to the part. You will also notice that there is a watermark on the assembly file, which helps to identify the insider or credentials which got compromised to leak the picture of the file. Let's make some edits on the file and check in the file. You will see the user experience is quite seamless with Teamcenter DRM, causing no disruptions in the workflow. Let's check in the file now to the Teamcenter server. I will go ahead and close the file so we can see if the changes propagated to the Teamcenter DRM server in its embedded viewer. As you remember, we removed a small circle from the part in our edit. You will see this now reflected when we view the part in the embedded viewer. We'll go to named references, and you can see the part, Lianhe, that is reflecting the edit. I will now close the window. The product file has now been duplicated, and the classification of the Lianhe part has been changed to top secret. Let's try to download the file and see what happens for Jimmy. I will go to the download folder, right-click on the file, select SkyDRM, and view file info. You will see I'm denied access to the part file. Now, let's try to open the assembly. Once the assembly and parts are loaded, an error message is displayed stating that I do not have access. I will click OK, and you will see that Jimmy can see all other assembly parts except for the chain guard as it is top secret. With this, we conclude our video on NextLabs Teamcenter DRM. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the NextLabs channel, and stay tuned for more data-centric security videos.